Are you searching for best spool gun welder in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on Amazon products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 4 best spool gun welders on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Hobart Spool Gun. Hobart is quite a popular brand of products related to welding and welding guns that offer a great electric spool gun welder that is mentioned here. The Spool Runner 100 is great for aluminum MIG welding with the Handler 210 MVP. Included features: capable of handling 4-inch spools of wire, adjustable tension, spring-loaded tension release for easy feeding, easily accessible drive rolls, spring strain relief to protect cables from wear. Includes 3-meter cable lead, rugged plastic carrying case, extra contact tips, extra nozzle. Best features: offers a length rating of 10 feet, includes a gas hose in the box. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Spool Gun. Unlike most other spool gun welder brands available out there and the ones mentioned here in this video, Lincoln Electric is one of the only few that includes multiple handy accessories. The Lincoln Electric Magnum 100 SG Spool Gun Kit is designed for aluminum welding at any level of experience, from novice to expert. Compatible with the Lincoln Electric Easy MIG 140 item number 167740 and Easy MIG 180 item number 167741 welders, sold separately. Accessory type spool gun: single, pair, or system, compatible with Lincoln Electric Easy MIG 140, 180. Lightweight spool gun features a comfortable ergonomic grip and balanced design, feeds a variety of wire types and diameters, easy to operate. Full travel mechanical trigger features excellent sensitivity through a welding glove, includes a cushion carrying case, 10 feet gun cable, control harness and gun connector for fast connections to the welder. Number 3. Lotus Technology Spool Gun. In comparison with other spool gun welders out there, Lotus Technology's offerings are highly reliable and durable, especially for the given price tag. This Lotus Technology MSG094 Spool Gun Welder, it is the most durable and reliable option present in this video. Apart from offering an excellent build quality to the user, you also get a 1-year-long warranty with it, which is much higher than other options. But the best part about this warranty is that you do not have to pay a premium for it. Even though the length of this spool gun welder is a bit shorter at 9 feet, the performance offered by it is quite good. You get the standard wire size support of 0.035 inches with this spool gun for ease of use. Another great thing about it is that it offers a pretty high wire feed speed of up to 13 m/min, offers a length rating of 9 feet, 1-year warranty, offers a high wire feed speed. Number 4. Miller Electric Spool Gun. Although Miller Electric is one of the premium welding gun and machine brands out there, its spool gun welder can still be a great pick for many users. The Miller Electric 301272 Spool Gun Welder is the best performing option present in this video. This is primarily due to the reason that you get a pretty high length of 20 feet with this spool gun welder, which is much better than all other options. While it does not have a specific wire size rating, its 4-inch spool can store a lot of wire at once with ease. Best features: offers a length rating of 20 feet, 1-year-long warranty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.